Enugu make welcome the one and only Franchez. Very honest young man. Very honest young man.
The funny, thank you. I beg, funny boy, you know, say even me, I'm from Enugu, and my mama de village. Enugu, I want to say thank you guys. I'm so proud today we have an industry. This was with a dream we had. Today we have Lagos in Enugu, we have Abuja in Enugu. I knew how we started. I want to say thank you to every one of you. Please, a round of applause for yourself. Mona clap, I beg. Mona clap, I beg. Mona try, I beg. Oh boy, but Peter and Bad they try. Una know say that for this regime, I can't know say there are two kinds of lion in Enugu. Peter and Bad lion, and one lion with the Unity Park. Peter and Bad lion is small. You know, there's something about artwork. Artwork could tell you the meaning. Peter and Bad lion close mouth, focus, he dey move because he dey walk. He get another lion for Unity Park. The lion big, he just open mouth like this. Oh boy, I know they fear. Oh boy, Peter and Bad, in those days, if you come government house, the only thing some way go there, you go see, wait more than wait. You go see something like people go carry placard. Obiago boys for good governance. You go see another one. Digbakoku for good governance. My brother, now who born you say you go government house? If you go government house, now for CCTV camera. One Igwe go look for Peter Mba for camera. Peter Mba they ask him, Igwe, why are you here? You see, Your Excellency, I'm humble. His Royal Highness, Igwe Nkembu Ebo Nke Ezeago. Igwe, why are you here? Your Excellency, I'm here. Atomi who governor Igwe. See, the governor does not matter. The governor is busy because we are doing 30-kilometer road. We want to take Enugu State to $4 billion to $30 billion. Igwe Iganaba Biko o. Make una one governor, His Excellency. No be after all this good work, he go come carry and give another person. I no talk again. I beg wanna clap for me, Jerry. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm from Eziago. I'm a graduate of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, a master degree holder, an alumni of Lagos Business School, an attendee of Obi Kubana's birthday. Oh boy, I don't know how many of you. That Obi Kubana birthday gave me, I was depressed. My brother, anything they do, make money, poverty no good. If you see birthday, that is why I love the life of the rich. When I go visit my boss, Obiadada, if you see house, now there I know say there is a difference between trash can and dustbin. Now poor man they get dustbin. If you see Oga trash can, look at the content. Canadian visa will remain 1 year to expire. Poverty no good though. If you go where rich people they live, zoo estate, no noise. But go where poor people they live. You go just there, you go hear one voice. Hepatitis B not a good for man body. Now hepatitis B now they cause all this weakness for the body. Every time madam go they complain. Say organ no fit do that thing wey make am be organ. My people now hepatitis B. But thank God say Dr. Igodo Goko cleanser. Don't carry a one solution. We go help you kill that yama. On your rush now, come collect your solution. We get NAFDAC number. You go to say you don't finish, you go hear another one. Scratch no more. Poverty no good though. Do you know that poor women don't stay long in labor? Hello? When rich man marry, he won't born. They will take the wife to Canada. If you see the hospitals, like hotel, see the nurses, like hair hostess, you could just hear something like, come on, Madam Bush. When they begin watch, she say na Toronto, you don't come out. Poor man. Poor man wife won't born. If you see the village, Nara Health Center, as she dey come, the nurse and they more money now. Madam me pull cookie. Madam push. When they begin won't come, I see a baba. He run go inside. Madam push. That is why you see rich children when they give birth to them. If you had their cry, you gonna say the begin get future. What is his name? Opoka. Oh, you don't hear where poor man they cry. Tell your neighbor be rich, oh. You know that youngest that's tune, don't they? By the way, I'm 11 years in marriage now. I don't look at Abby. Wanna clap for me? I slim, Abby. Now family problem. That is why if you are here, you are the owner of a private school. I beg. Our parents no kill us. We will not kill our parents. Our children will not kill us. It is too much. My children are in school in Lagos. Every week, these children are coming with party pack. When did they start doing party in school? Every week they are coming with party pack. And I know my turn is coming. My son asked me, Dad, my birthday is next week. I said, tell the school that we are members of Jehovah's Witness. We don't celebrate birthday. First day on resumption, they gave me one list, toiletries. 3 children, 300,000. Oga, do you know one toilet roll in Nigeria is 200? If you divide 200 by 1,005, that means each child is using 1,500 toilet roll. I didn't know when I told the woman, Madam, do they have spiritual diarrhea? I told my children, don't put in this school. Any day they are going to school, I said, take fly G. Take this one in the morning. You get my friend where they will just swear. Please, before I go, listen to this advice. It's not everything you see online you do. All these double streams of income, don't mind them. I did on my own. I say, make I add another stream. Online. They say plantain business is a multi-billion-dollar business. I started understanding the business. I went to Calabar, bought a trailer roll of plantain, made an arrangement with a food vendor in Lagos. Immediately my plantain landed, their number no come they go. My brother, if you see plantain for my house, plantain in the room, plantain in the kitchen, there was nothing we do not use plantain to do. We cook plantain rice, plantain beans, plantain porridge, seafood plantain. You get one when my wife come they do plantain lotion. Till my children became plantation boys. Youngest, that song don't they? Funny, no, that song, I wonder why. FunnyBone was talking about in those days, life was easy. You fall in love with a woman very easy because of the kind of songs. People, our parents were very romantic. DJ Abe played that song. How many of you remember this song? The ladies were going to sing the songs together. Hey, come on. Let's go, your hand. I want to see your hand. Regular, come on. Una hear the kind of song? Come on. Una see the kind of song where the rain says, I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder why, yeah, yeah. Honey. Una the lyrics. Come on, Enugu, let's take this song. All my life, holding on forever. A little prayer. Come on, Enugu. There's no see you once again in my life. Una see song? Come on. See you once again in my life. Una see song. Those days our mothers, when you watch them, original figure 8. But now if you see girl, you not gonna know whether na BBL she carry come. That is why today in Lekki, every girl carry BBL. But I want to announce to them, you know, every business an Igbo man enters, he will crash the price. The Igbo people are understanding BBL business. If you are here, you want to do BBL, be patient. By next year, you go see where two girls they talk. Oh my God, Angela, your cups are beautiful. How much did you make it? 10 million. For what? Look at my own. Guess what? Guess what? I made it at Oquistos. Abba, how much? 150. By then you go see all these vulcanizers go they make money. You know, normally when you're driving, if your tire is down, somebody say, Oga, your tire is down. By then you go to Madam, you can now, mother. Oh my God, vulcanizer, please. Una want make I die, abi? Oga, you know say we know they beg money. Ogo the other, you there they spray dollar. You can't reach my tongue. I beg, I they pay school fees. But Enugu, thank you guys. Uncle Ike, thank you. Now all of us start this comedy show. My boss, thank you. Thank you for supporting FunnyBone. Thank you. Okulora, you they dash people money every day. Me, I won't dash you. I sow it into your life. My boss, my Esiago brother. Where is Chimobieze? Boss, I want to sow this in your life. Seed Munagana Nozog. Where is Honorable Chimobieze? Thank you, Enugu. Thank you. It's not my show. FunnyBone. Thank you, boss. You're going to make a man.